Hey, what's up, Benchwarmer? Going to do a recap of 2006 Benchwarmer Series 2. These are all the cards that we got. You get all these in the set. These are all the base cards. That's the Holly Madison base card and the Costello Twin Square on the box cover. But let me show you the hits that we got in the special inserts. Alright, so let's start with these two inserts here. We got two of these. Like a promo card, 97.1 free FM, 2007, the Liquettes. We got Carolyn Bolin, which I think she goes by Carolyn Martin now. She's a brunette. And there's the back. They all have the same backs. And the other girl that we got was Shauna Walters. So they both have the same backs. Alright, then we got two of these lingerie bowl cards, and we got Holly Madison, and it's 18 of the set of 24, and we got Lori Young, 19 of the set of 24. We also got a bot stopper. Our bot stopper was Chrissy Ballantyne, and it's 4 of set of 5. We got two boot camps. We got Shawnee Costello, one of the Costello twins, and it's 5 of 10. And we got Molly Shea, 7 of 10. Then we got 3 of these lingerie cards. We got the Bentley twins. So pretty cool. 3 pictures on the back. 15 of 20 from the set. And we got Zoe Gregory. And we got Shannon Malone. Then we got 3 autographs, but we also get a Betty Page card. We didn't get the autographed Betty Page card. Well, you get 1 of these per box. I already put it in a sleeve in a top loader. This is card 6 of 8. And then our 3 autographs. We got, you're supposed to get 2 and 1 schoolgirl, so we got, this is one of our 2. It's Kyla Kim, 18 of 20. And we got Mary Riley, awesome card, 20 of 20. And our schoolgirl auto was Molly Shea, and it's 18 of 24. So there you have it. There's the recap of 2006 Benchwarmer Series 2. Alright, thanks for watching.